This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset an oil light. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is off, then turn the ignition to the on position without actually starting the car. Next, firmly press the accelerator pedal all the way down 3 separate times within a 10-second window. After performing these steps, turn the ignition completely off. This sequence should successfully reset your oil change indicator light. It's a quick and easy process. If the first method doesn't work, some models offer an alternative. Begin by locating the menu button, often found on your steering wheel. Use the arrow buttons to scroll through the display options until you find the oil life percentage. Once you see it, press and hold the reset button. Keep holding it until the oil life display changes to 100%, confirming the reset. Before attempting any reset, always confirm that your vehicle has recently received an oil change. Resetting the light without fresh oil can lead to engine damage. If you're still having trouble, consult your owner's manual. It provides specific instructions for your exact model. A light that remains on after multiple reset attempts might signal a faulty sensor or a more serious underlying issue. Remember, consistent oil changes are vital for maintaining your engine's health and extending its lifespan. Always use the manufacturer-recommended oil type and a quality filter to ensure optimal performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips. Also, for those looking to stay refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.